What's up, guys? It's Quinn Gunn back at it again with some Miata content. So today I'm going to try to fix some of the body defects on this car. I actually looked up how to take the fender off, and it doesn't. I'm gonna try. I'm gonna actually try. I don't know if I'm gonna succeed, but I'm gonna at least try to do it. So I got the hood popped up ready, and from what it sounds like, there's these 4 bolts along the fender here. I'm gonna have to take off the bumper too to free up the fender. I'm also going to have to take off the fender liner off of here, and I'm also going to have to take off some of the bolts that's holding the fender in too from inside the wheel well. And I'm also going to have to take this off too. There may be more. I'm going to refresh myself before I get started. And hopefully this rain will let up. It's pretty much been raining all day today, and I've pretty much just been waiting on it to finally stop raining. So once I get refreshed on how to do it and the rain starts to clear up, I'm going to go ahead and start on it. So wish me luck. So before I start this, I want to let you know, if you're looking at this because this seems like it's going to be a tutorial, I want to let you know that it's not. I'm just as green with this kind of stuff as you are. I'm learning as I go. I've watched a couple of videos on how to do this, and I'm going to try my best at it and see if I can make it work. So I'm not going to be actually showing you any steps on how to do this. So if you came here looking for a tutorial, this is not it. Well, guys, let me get so you can actually see. I got the fender off. Actually wasn't that hard to do, actually. Only took me about 20 minutes, maybe even less than that. I actually had to go to the AutoZone to go get a new breaker bar so I can get the wheel off. But other than that, this was actually not as hard as I thought it was going to be. So what I wanted to do was try to see if I can get this dent taken out. I got a hammer inside my car, and actually from the inside, if you guys can see it, it doesn't look like it's that bad. So I might actually be able to hammer it out. Well, we'll see. So I did something and it actually worked. The big dent is pretty much gone, but unfortunately it did crack up some of the paint, which it's not really much of a big deal. I want to get this thing resprayed anyway once I put that finish panel back on. But this is a step in the right direction. I might take this somewhere where I can get it painted. I don't want to be cheap with the paint job, or I don't want to be paying a lot of money for it. I pretty much just need some of the stuff corrected, like this fender, this roof right here, maybe some of that wear over there, and the trunk. I'm not going to do it myself because I'm not a body mechanic or a paint mechanic anyway. This is pretty much the first bit of body work I've ever done. And I'm probably going, actually I might spray the finish panel myself. I think they come from Miata ready to be painted. And if I can, I might actually look for one from eBay. See if they have a Silverstone colored one that's not chipping too bad. But that's pretty much the plan when it comes to the body. That's pretty much like 33% of the problem's done. It's definitely not as dented as it was. It was a huge dent. But I'm going to put this back on, and I'm going to call it a day. This was actually pretty fun. I'm not even going to lie. I enjoyed doing this. It's been a while since I actually worked on this car myself and not just take it to the Miata mechanic. But things are going well. It wasn't as hard as I thought it would be. So I'm going to go ahead and put this back on, and I'll talk to you guys after I'm done. Alright guys, I got everything put back together. I'm about to rinse this off and head out and get some supplies, but we got it on there. It was a little bit harder to get back on than it was to get back off, but we got it back on, and it's definitely not as noticeable, the dent, anymore. Now we just gotta get most of this stuff painted. I'll have that done whenever I get the finish panel put on, and it's a good thing I got that done because all that was underneath it, all that was inside that panel, and they'll cause rust. And as you guys probably know, Miatas are known for rust. But we got it done. If you guys want to see more Miata content, please like, share, and subscribe. And I'll promise, well, I'm not going to promise, I'll try to deliver more content. I'll see you guys around.